Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to draft product description using ChatGPT. So let's get started with the video. So basically, you should have a product details such as what is the product name, its feature and specification, target audience, use cases, what is the benefit and tone of voice. It should be professional, fun, luxurious. So what you need to do, open ChatGPT and we need to give the prompt to ChatGPT. For example, I have given it here. Write a short and engaging product description for the following product. And here you need to mention your product details. What is the product name? What are its features, target audience, tone of voice? And this is optional if you need to mention the length as well. You want to keep it under 80 words, 50 words, and which factors you need to, which keywords you need to focus on. You can mention that as well. So this is the prompt which you can give. Post that, just click on enter, and as you can see here, the ChatGPT has been started creating the product description under the words which has been mentioned by us. So this is how you can do that. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.